Here's where you can go to change the window animation scale or the app opening animation on Samsung phones with Android 14. You will need to enable developer options, and let's do this. You'll need to go into the quick settings, tap on the settings icon right here, and once in this section here, go all the way down to the bottom until you see About Phone. Okay, so if you don't see developer options, you'll have to go to About Phone right here, this one here. Okay, you'll have to go to that, and you'll go to where it says software information. As you're here now, you're going to go into the part that says build number. So you'll look for build number, and you're going to tap on that 7 times to enable developer options. Once you tap on it 7 times, you'll probably be prompted to put in your password for your lock screen. And then once you're done, come out of here. You'll be in the About Phone section here, and just go down and you'll see developer options right there. And as you go into it here now, make sure that's turned on, and you'll just go down until you reach the drawing section. So go down, go down, go down until you see drawing. It's past all this here until you see drawing, okay? And once you're there now, you'll see this here. And basically what that does is these 3 up here is the fastest, but anything like that will be super slow. You'll see how slow it gets versus the 1 times. Okay, and you can change these at any given time, like and sub.